Yes, children, now one more important question is, a merchant on selling rice earns profit of rupees 10 per bag of basmati rice sold and loss of 5 per a bag of non-basmati rice. Yes, children, first we need to understand that question. Yes, so once again we can read that question. A merchant on selling the rice bags. So in that one merchant is selling that basmati rice bags and non-basmati rice bags. Yes, so on basmati rice bag, how much profit he can earn? Rupees 10 rupees per bag in the sense each bag he will get the 10 rupees profit. Yes, and non basmati rice, each bag he get that loss of 5 rupees. Yes, children, so loss of 5 rupees on each bag per bag on non basmati rice. Yes, for basmati rice he will get the profit of 10 rupees. For non basmati rice he will get the loss of 5 rupees. Yes, children, here we need to understand that one thing. Profit means plus, loss means minus. Yes, children, so profit means plus, loss means minus. Here down two questions will be there, no? Yes, he sells 3000 bags of basmati rice. How many bags he sold? 3000 bags of basmati rice and 5000 bags of non-basmati rice in a month. So 1 month he sold that 3000 bags of basmati rice and 5000 are non-basmati rice. So what is his profit or loss in a month? So at end of the month he will get the profit or loss we should find. Yes, children. Yes, now coming to the answer. Merchant on selling rice. Okay, profit on basmati rice bag is 10 rupees. Loss on non-basmati rice bag is 5 rupees. Yes, children. Now, so first question, he sold how many basmati rice bags? 3000. Yes, so basmati rice bags he will get the profit or loss? Profit. How much? 10 rupees. Yes, so 10 rupees on each bag. Yes, so profit is 3000 into 10. How much? 3000 into 10. Just here. So just we should multiply 3 into 1. How much? 3. Remaining how many zeros will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros. So 3000 into 10 how much? 30,000. Yes, next one is that non-basmati rice bags he sold. How many non-basmati rice bags? 5000. So yes, children, now non-basmati rice bags he will get the profit or loss? Loss. Yes, how much? 5 rupees on each bag. Then 5000 into 5. Yes, so as usual, then 5 into 5, how much? 25. Remaining how many zeros will be there? 3 zeros. Yes, so basmati rice bags profit is the 30,000 and loss is the 25,000. Yes, now we should find that at end of the month he will get the profit or loss. Yes, children, so here profit is the 30,000 and loss is the 25,000. So profit is bigger or loss is bigger? I mean more, 30,000. Yes, 30,000 minus 20,000. So what is that? 5,000 profit. So yes, so for at end of the month he will get the profit or loss? Profit. Yes, how much? 5,000. Yes, children, so once again I will explain how many rice bags he sold? 3,000. Yes, each basmati rice bags how much profit? 10 rupees. So 3000 into 10, 30,000. And non-basmati rice bags are 5000. Yes, on non-basmati rice bags you will get that loss of how many rupees? 5 rupees. So then 5000 into 5 is that 25,000. Yes, so 30,000 and 25,000 both we should do the subtraction. So 30 minus 25 how much? 5,000 he will get the profit. Yes, here one more question is there. Let me see that question. Now next question is that what is the number of basmati rice bags he must sell to have neither profit nor loss? The number of bags of non-basmati rice bags is 6,400. So once you observe the question here non-basmati rice bags is given. How many? 6,400. But here they didn't give that basmati rice bags. Yes, that's what we have to find out. And one clue is given, neither profit nor loss. So nothing but there is no profit, no loss. Yes, so what we should find here? How many basmati rice bags he can sold, that we have to find out. Yes, children. Yes, now let the number of basmati rice bags should be X. X means let us assume only. X in the sense basmati rice bags. Yes, that's what we have to find out. Here they didn't give that how many rice bags, so that one only we should find out. Yes, so here we already know that each rice bag how much profit? 10 rupees. Yes children, so 10 rupees, and number of basmati rice bags here let us assume, yes, X. So 10 into X, 10x. Yes, just before how we are multiplying the 3000 into 10? 30,000. Yes, so 3000 what are? Basmati rice bags. So like that only here X should be basmati rice bags. Yes, so 10 into X, 10x. Yes, non-basmati rice bags are how many? 6,400. Here already given that non-basmati rice bags. How many? 6,400. Yes, so we already know that non-basmati rice bags loss are how many rupees? 5 rupees on each bag. Yes, 6,400 into 5. Yes, now 64 into 5 is that 320 and 2 zeros. Yes, 32,000. So non-basmati rice bags loss is 32,000. Yes, here one clue is given, no, so neither profit nor loss. So nothing but there is no profit, no loss. Yes, so in the sense profit is equal to loss. Yes, so suppose 5 rupees profit means 5 rupees loss. Yes, okay, so there is no profit, no loss, so both are equal. Yes children. Yes, so here what are the profit here? 10x. What are the profit here? 10x. Loss is how much? 32,000. So 10x equal to 32,000. Yes children, but what we want? Here we want only the x. What is an x? Basmati rice bags. Here 10 into x. Yes, so in previous class we already learned, no, so 10 into x, it is the 10 is moving to the another side, means here into means moving to this side is division. Yes, so then x equal to 32,000 by 10. Here 0, 0 get cancelled. Then how much? 3,200. So then x equal to 3,200. Yes, now how many basmati rice bags will be there? 3,200. Yes, the merchant sold 3,200 basmati bags and 6,400 non-basmati bags. So then only he won't get the profit or loss. There is no profit, no loss. Yes children. So I hope you all are understand. Yes.